jokes, let's start the fun. Letters, sounds, let's learn and run. Phonics time, it's a treat. Number one, jump in the sun. Say A like apple, isn't this fun? Two, buzz like the bee. B for ball, bounce with me. Three, climb a tree. C for cat, meow with glee. Four, knock on the door. E for dog, bark some more. Four, five, dance and jive. E for elephant, big and alive. Six, swim like a fish. F for frog, hop if you wish. Four, seven, reach up high. G for grapes, give it a try. Eight, hats look great. H for hat, don't be late. Four, nine, spin around. I for igloo, cold on the ground. 10, do it again. Let's sing our ABCs, my friend. Birthday party, hooray, hooray. Learning letters every day. Sing it loud, sing it bright. Phonics makes our future bright. Let's count and sing and clap along. With catchy rhymes, we'll all stay strong. One is the sun shining so bright. It warms the day and lights the night. Two is for shoes on your little feet. Tap them together to a happy beat. Three is for trees so tall and green. The prettiest trees you've ever seen. Four is for cars zooming down the street. Beep, 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 what a treat. Five is for fingers, wiggle them high. Wave them around like birds in the sky. Six is for sticks for building a nest. Stack them up high and do your best. Seven for stars twinkling above, shining so bright, filled with love. Eight is for balls bouncing so fun. Catch them, toss them, everyone. Nine is for cats purring so sweet, curling up cozy on little feet. 10 is for toes, let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, up to 10, stand tall. Now let's count backwards just for fun. From 10 to 1, we're almost done. 10 little ducks quack, quack, quack. 9 tiny mice riding on a track. 8 buzzing bees flying so free. 7 colorful fish swimming in the sea. 6 fluffy clouds floating up high. 5 butterflies fluttering by. 4 hopping frogs jumping with glee. 3 little birds singing in a tree. 2 shiny shoes ready to go. 1 big hug, now off we go. Let's count again from 1 to 10. Clap your hands and sing with friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phonics party, let's do it again. Now add some letters, let's make it fun. A is for apple and B is for bun. C is for cat and D is for door. E is for egg and F is for floor. G is for goat and H is for hat. I is for igloo and J is for cat. K is for kite and L is for light. M is for moon, shining so bright. N is for nest and O is for owl. P is for penguin, so cute and so foul. Q is for queen and R is for rain. S is for sun and T is for train.